Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with valuable tips and tricks to enhance your Snapchat experience. In today's video, we'll guide you through a comprehensive tutorial on how to clear lens data in Snapchat. By following these steps, you can free up space on your device and ensure a smooth and optimized Snapchat performance. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Snapchat on your device. Look for the familiar Snapchat app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer, and tap to open it. Step 2. Tap on your account icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile settings. Step 3. Inside your profile settings, tap on the gear icon to access your Snapchat settings. Step 4. Look for the option labeled Lenses and tap on it. Step 5. In the Lenses menu, locate the option that says Clear All Lenses and tap on it. This will remove all the lens data stored on your device. By clearing lens data in Snapchat, you can free up storage space and potentially improve the performance of the app. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks.